freaking... I accidentally bumped the stick, so it teleported me and kind of changed my angle and caused me to dive a little bit. So keep in mind, this says 5,000 feet, but remember 3,000 is into the ground here. Because we lost our setting when I needed to find out the atmospheric pressure. I didn't need to find it out, it was just calibrate this stupid thing. But actually, let's redo that. So we're at 6, and what is our 5,000? So something like that. So when I switched this to GPS mode, this thing clicked into the place like I expected it to actually be on. So this shows the path that I want to get to that waypoint, and it's actually further to my left because I'm not over the waypoint right now. Like if I'm not over the pink path. So you'll see this thing start to like angle a little bit closer to the center once I pass that point. See how it's deflecting center. And as soon as I cross that line, see, and this line will cross in the center. And then I just want to keep it centered, and then I'll actually be following that line. The other line here actually is a glide slope line, and that, assuming that the landing system supports it, that'll give us the glide slope for actually coming in for the landing. So if you think about it, this is a top-down, the line above, the up and down is actually the top-down view, and the line across is actually a side view. Like this is two separate instruments combined into one. I think we're going to be able to finish this off before the next 15-minute timer, so yay. You can see it is now switched to the new waypoint, which is why it deflected again. Where is the actual airport? Must not be up. What is that? Is that another runway? Huh, weird. So I need to move a little bit further left. Alright, so let me switch into the final nav point before approach. There we go, now we've got a glide plane, see? So I actually should be higher. And further to the left. I think that means I should be higher. Does it mean I should be lower? Well, that means I should be lower. Okay. Where's the actual one? I'm not seeing the visual of it. This is further down. So do I need to be further down or further up? I'll go down and see if that solves my glide plane problem. Yeah, I think I actually want him to be further up. So probably first I just was testing. Not something you would probably do in the real world, but that's the advantage of VR, right? You can learn things in really stupid ways. There we go. Almost at the glide plane level. Alright, there we go. So now we've got our vertical figured out. Trying to get further to the left here to get our horizontal figured out. Okay, gotta go down on the glide plane. Keep that in the O. We can take it to the right now. I see the airport. Flaps down a little bit. Trim the nose down a little bit. Way off axis. And way off approach. Okay, that thing I thought was the airport was actually not the airport, so. I think. Yeah. Trim down, trim down, trim down, trim down, trim down. Yeah, that indicator is not very active. Look, if I switch this to... That doesn't help at all, does it? Yeah, so... I don't know how you could have done a zero visibility landing with this instrument, so I probably needed to choose different paths. There were a lot of options in there. I was setting it up, and I still know like a million of them. So, but this is going to be easy enough to correct for certainly. Flying these little planes is super, super nice and easy. You can correct for a lot at the end because you can go literally almost down to 40 miles per hour and still maintain lift with the flaps in the down position. That sound you heard at the end was the stall indicator. Alright, so the reason I'm having trouble steering actually is because in the last patch it evidently already had enabled rudder along with the rotation, but you can see that my legs aren't moving, so it's not doing the rudder. And rudder is all that drives you on the ground, so that is the reason I have like zero control right now. So I'm just going to hit the brakes. And I should have rudder probably on like the stick or something, but I don't. Anyway, we're here. Boop, 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 boop. All right.